Hey guys, Justin here with Crawltech Revolution, taking a look at our Bronco Blaze front bumper. We got this thing out of the box. We thought we'd go over what you get when you purchase one of these bumpers, what comes in the box, and all the ways that this thing can be customized. First, obviously, you have this incredible front bumper, super sleek profiles, kind of matching Bronco body lines, creating a lot of high clearance, extra tire clearance, not bulky, not boxy, a lot of that stuff on the market. You're gonna see these beefy recovery hooks. One of the coolest things about those is they're actually integrated into the frame mount. That keeps the strength where you want it, obviously where you're gonna be pulling on it. You'll notice that all of these screens are not installed, and you may be like, well, that's a little frustrating. Actually, we're doing this on purpose. One, we have a lot of different configurations. You can get these with or without your proximity sensors, so that you don't have to relocate those to a different position. Also, this allows you to, color change them, coat them. We have ones that swap out for different light mounts and everything else. So the bumper comes as is, and the screens will come, kind of how you optioned the purchase of the bumper. Lots of hardware with this. Again, we're putting all those proximity sensors back where they belong. We're not moving the radar, we're not moving all those things. So, we have hardware and everything to attach those in the factory angle and position. As you're gonna see, tons of, quality hardware, even right down to the cushion clamps for any wiring that we, relocate out of the old bumper and into the new bumper. So, beefy stuff here from Crawltech Revolution on this Bronco bumper. If you want to check out how this is installed, check out the link below. And if you want to take a little bit deeper dive into Crawltech, it's crawltechrevolution.com. You can grab up one of these Bronco bumpers or some of the Jeep products. And as always, check us out on Facebook and Instagram, Crawltech Revolution.